Hello, in this video we will see how we can install SQL Server Migration Assistant. To install SQL Server Migration Assistant, you need to search SSMA for Oracle and you need to click on the first link. Here you need to click on download and you can just select the first file SSMA for Oracle and click on download. Once download is completed, you can open your downloads folder and you will see one file here. You can just double click on it. Now the installation wizard will start. Here you can click on next. You can accept the agreement. Here you will have three options: typical, custom and complete. I will just go with the typical installation. Here if you want to send the telemetry data to Microsoft, you can check this checkbox, but I don't want to send this data, so I will just uncheck it. And if you don't want to check for the latest version, you can uncheck this checkbox also. Once that is done, you can click on install and installation will start and it will get complete. Once that is done, you can come to your start menu and search for SSMA. You will see one application is available here. You can click on open and it will open up your SSMA. So guys, this is how you can install SSMA for Oracle on your Windows machine.